I'm not sure where these are from, but these are Pokemon strawberry cream Oreos. If you can tell me where they are from, that'd be much appreciated, because it has, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this writing. It's got that kind of writing on it. And also, the nutrition facts look a lot different than American nutrition facts. And I don't know what that writing is. Strawberry cream Pokemon Oreos. Discover all 16 Pokemon cookies. Which will you find inside? Let's see what we got first. Bulbasaur. All right. All the Pokemon heads out there are gonna be mad, like, see what else we got. Cyndaquil. I do not know what that is, man. That's like basic Pokemon knowledge, man. Sorry, I'm an adult. An old adult. These Pokemon Oreos, you know what? They're slamming. Strawberry cream from whatever country that is. Pokemon Oreos. I'm gonna give you 8. Let's just check out what other ones we got. Oh, I think I know what this one is. Charmander. Got the Charmander up. What's up, dog? You know what? What the hell? Let's just go through a couple more. I got a little bit more time. What's this one? Oh, Pikachu. I know that one. What is this? Another one of these guys. We already got that one. Another one of them. Come on, man. How many I catch? 3 already? Do one more. We'll do one more. Hopefully it'll be something new. A Rowlet? How do you not know what a Rowlet is, man? You loser.